Yes, we can start. Yeah, Jaguar.
Vignesh, can we start?
Yeah, so waiting for the Jaguar to start this streaming. Jaguar. Yeah.
Yes. Good day, everyone. This is Mahesh here, your WJTG Zoom host for the day. And I'm just welcoming WJTG owner, Mr. Widzkie and Mr. Jaguar. And the special guest for today, GoldenTron owner, Mr. David and Ms. Alina. Welcoming for on board. So we are just doing the session YouTube live stream. So let me get into the presentation slides. Okay. See, wherever we are, whichever the field we are in, we have to. If you want to earn, then we need to get the basic concepts about the stuff what we are getting into it. So we have to means first we have to learn more. We need to get the complete stuffs. We need to understand what is in and out completely. What is there in the presentation. Everything we need to understand. So if you learn more, you can earn more. That is a excellent word from Mr. Brian Tracy, and that's for our presentation. And every world is learning a new thing in the situation. In this 2020, we have came across this pandemic worst situation 2019, and this has given us a biggest learning. So what it has been the biggest learning during this crisis is that nothing is in our hand, but still we need to keep washing your hands, right? So this is also a new type of learning in this pandemic. Everyone in this world, we came across all this learning. So this world is full of learning only. So when we get into the new facts and new learnings, we'll be getting more knowledges. So with this intro, let me get into that. The great Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam words. So whenever we are getting failed, whenever we are getting dejected, right? We never take it in a negative way, because he has just given a explanation of the word fail in a different way for every one of us. That is, the word fail stands for first attempt in learning. You have to take in a positive way. And if you face, this is going to be the end. End is not just an end. In fact, END, he just gives us a different meaning. That's a positive note. Effort never dies. And one more excellent abbreviation, because in this world, no one will be very interested to hear the word no, right? I don't want this, I don't want, we'll be getting easily dejected. But he gives a positive waves of no as no means next opportunity. So these are the things we are going to learn today from the basic stuff from the great APJ Dr. Abdul Kalam sir. So a fail is nothing but the first attempt in learning, and END, it's not the ending, it's effort never dies. Keep trying unless and until you get the victory. So that is what the word says here. And no means it's not just a no, it's a next opportunity. So let's be positive with this rhythm. We can learn from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. TG community. It's not the load that breaks you down. It is the way you carry it. Because many people, when they do the work, they'll find it somewhat, they need to do it. That is what they want. They don't love the job. First of all, we need to love the job. We have to be very professional to what the thing we do. So when everything works on a systematic manner, everything works on a longer plan, and everything works on a vision and strategy, everything is going to be clear. Your route and your destiny will be on the higher side. You will be facing the success. So this is what the strength of WJTG community here. We initially started with a lesser number of communities of the group, but still keep on going. Day by day, we are rapidly going like anything. And even we are reading our YouTube live streams here with 10K for views has been given within a short span of time. So thank you for all the participants and all the followers who are doing the good, wonderful job staying with the WJTG. And that's a good example for the strength of WJTG here. And you could see the WJTG roadmap here. See, simple. This is nothing but we have to trust in this plan of WJTG. Okay, you are not supposed to trust in your pain. Pain is also a positive word only. Pain is nothing but positive attitude in negative situation. You can take it the other way. So first you have to trust the plan of WJTG roadmap, because this vision is completely built on a longer run, right? This is not a 1 day, 2 day program. It is completely on a longer run program. So with this roadmap, I'm just going to explain it briefly in the coming next slides. So first, believe. First, get your trust in this plan. Blindly believe them. They are doing this wonders. This is what the slide shows us. And here it is WJTG. We are promoting AMA session. AMA is Ask Me Anything sessions. The quote says here, the problems are not a reasons to give up, but a challenge to improve ourselves. Because we are getting this AMA session every day. Every day we are promoting in a different platforms. One day in Instagram, and one day in YouTube live channels, and one day in Telegram official group. All this stuff has been daily. We are getting new questions from the new members, and we are facing some typical questions also. And we are very bold and enough to get the answers, because we are transparent. We are open completely to the all the members in this. So we are not giving any excuses to back out. We are giving an inspiration to move forward. So this is our one more strength of WJTG. The AMA session, Ask Me Anything. This AMA session, actually there will be a set of questions that we ask from different peoples, and we'll be choosing the best questions, and out of the question we will be giving them the best answers what they have been expecting. And not only with the awards, and I mean not only with the giving the answers, we are just going to give them the reward for getting those tough questions. So this is what the challenges, and this is what the acceptance we here do in WJTG. Okay, just stop wondering whether it's going to work. Okay, it does works, and you just need to try it. So this is the mantra we used to say from WJTG here. Okay, don't just go on investigating or something. Believe it, we people are doing it, because we have kept our words. Whatever we said in the initial starting program also we have done. I'm just going to give this presentation very clearly and crispy with the coming slides for you people now. So let's see from Mr. Jayguar what he says now. No matter how smart you are, if you never know how to work with the people, your dreams will just be a dreams. If you want your dreams to come true, what you have to do? You have to interact with people. You have to get collaborated with people. That is what the collaboration is all about. It's a teamwork. Teamwork is just a 4-letter word, but the power of team is very, very excellent. Together, everyone achieves more. That is the abbreviation of the team. And when we need to set a goal on a longer run, our goal should also be on a smartest goal. The SMART word stands for specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time bounding. So here in WJTG, we do have a complete long-term vision here. Based on the goal and based on the long-term vision, we are working out on the strategy with our roadmap. All these presentations is available for you people for a complete clarity, no betterment of WJTG here. So that's the quotes we take from Jayguar. So start right now, wherever you are with what you have. Just don't stop. Keep continuing. The only difference between you and the people who have already won what they have done is, that is, they have already started, but they never ever gave up. That is the only differences. But we are trying to just in the beginning stages. Whether shall we start today, whether shall we start tomorrow, just don't ignore it. Start right now. So that is the learning from this particular slides we do get us. And here we are, the success and excuses. They are two different end-to-end words. Success and excuses just don't talk to each other, right? They don't interact with each other. If we give excuses, you will forget success. But to achieve successes, you have to forget excuses. So when you stop giving excuses, definitely you will work on focusing on the successes part. So everything goes right on the longer run. Definitely we'll be getting a massive successes one day. That is what we are going to aim on the longer run. So with this presentation, with the short notes, I'm just going to take you directly to the website, which is wjtglobal.online. This is our official website here, and you could see the WJTG stands for Widzkie Jayguar Team Global. And our main motto, the main ambition, The main aim is no one loses here. This is our success mantra. So we are keeping this word right from the day one. We are keeping it on a longer run, and we are proving to the world that we are doing this on a longer run and no one loses here. And let's learn about WJTG, who we are. WJTG is actually a growing team with the like-minded people, where teams of multiple people, they come together with a smart contract program. And as I told you, the word team is nothing but together everyone achieve more. This WJTG Team Global was created by Mr. Widzkie, one of the majority of the major member, and Mr. Jayguar. They are the founders of WJTG, Widzkie Jayguar Team Global. And this Team Global token was initially started with November 11, 2020. Right? So the token distribution with the Team Global spreads, and it completely came on all over the world. And here's the complete presentation for your token details. Our token name is Widzkie Jayguar Team Global, and our token ticker is WJTG. And the token Tron we use is token type is TRC20, and the blockchain what we use for this platform is Tron blockchain. And you could see the contract addresses displayed in here, and the total supply of WJTG token is 800 million tokens. And we are doing the distribution in both way, manual and automated. Manual mode we have completed in December itself. Now we are in the automated processes. So this is for your presentation, the token details is. And next, let's get into this PDF, the official website of WJTG. And for your clarity, I'm just going to give a brief elaborations here with what is a vision and what is a strategy here we are doing with WJTG. So here's the token details as I shared with you people just now, and you could see this website. Our official website is available, www.wjteamglobal.online, and we are available with the email where people can contact us. You can just get your all these queries that can be cleared, and we are available in Telegram groups, official Telegram group, official Telegram channels is available. We are available in every sort of social medias. We are available in Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and YouTube channel. We are going to live stream on YouTube channels. We are doing it this presentation. Every Zoom it has been going on live streams. So people are getting the new updates and their knowledges about WJTG. They are participating day by day, and which has been increasingly massively. So this is the token distribution. As I told you, in WJTG, there are 800 million token supply has been kept aside, and this 800 million token, you could see the breakup, the split up of 800 million here. For WJTG founder, the number of tokens is 2 million supply has been kept aside, and for smart contract matrix program, matrix 1, which is about to launch in the month of March, that is 2021, the first quarter of the year, the project for this, it's 10 million supply, and for limited sale, it's 10 million, and for the forum platform, for all this forum platform, it is 40 million. And for smart contract matrix 2, one more matrix contract is also under the pipeline. For that, the supply is 10 million. And the staking program, the staking platform, which the long awaited, every people's are waiting. And officially, we have announced that January 3rd week, we are starting a staking program in this. And for the staking program alone, it's 100 million supply has been kept as it. And for any sort of exchanges, it is 50 million. And here it is the gaming platform. Many people are getting into this gaming platforms also. For this, there is a supply of 28 million. And for airdrops, bonus, context, and other matrix rewards, and any future platforms also. So all this put together as a complete package. It's a 500 million supply which has been kept aside. And there is a marketplace also. We do have a supply of 50 million. So this is our complete 800 million. So we are very clear and transparent and open with every sort of customers. We are very clear with our 800 million supply. This is their presentations. And you could see our limited pre-sale, which was started in the December, and successfully have completed all the 4 phases. We have kept our word. The first WJTG token was initially came with 0.3 TRX, 0.3 TRX. Then we have started the phase 2 in a 1 week of time, where the 0.3 moved to 0.5. And within the next week of time, phase 3, which was started in December 16, and it was till December 23, we have moved to 1 TRX. That is the initial, right from the day one, the people who are in our WJTG community who bought this token on day 1, which is 0.3 TRX, they have got triple their investments. They have got triple time their investments. and not it is just a beginning. And again, the phase 4, which lasted in December 23rd to December 30, we moved to 1.5 TRX. That is, we can comparatively say when we started, this first token is 0.3, and we have moved to 1.5 TRX, which is 5 times their investment. They've got 5 times the profit what they've invested. As per the number of tokens, they are going to get it massive. So that is what the limited pre-sale, which was successfully completed in 2020 December. And here we do have a matrix reward token distribution program for all the team global members. So in the screen, there will be a small technical issues where, sorry, there is a small error, which is October 31, 2021. It's not 2020, it's 2021. Okay, so you could see the persons who will be joining this respective program, they'll be upgrading their levels. When they're upgrading the level, they'll be getting tokens on each and every level, from level 2 to level 12. For the example we have given here, level 2 it's 20 WJTG token, and level 3 40 WJTG token. For every level, double the token it has been invest. I mean, you will be getting more, double the time will be getting. And level 12, it is 15,000 WJTG token here. And this doesn't stop with level 12. You could see that for all levels from level 12 and above, that is level 13, 14 respectively, goes on. Each members, they will be getting 15,000 WJTG for every level, right from level 12 and above. So in quarter 4 2020, our distribution came as automated. We have completed manually, and automated distributions we have just started with this. And we have a complete plan, product and services. What is the vision, how we are going to do about it? You could see this staking platform, smart contracts matrix program, decentralized forum, gaming platform, and diverse marketplace. So let's see one by one. The staking platform, the members will be able to stake their tokens at TRX, WGTG, and other more popular tokens also, and they can get interest profit out of it. So they can also earn from referral commissions. When they refer person, they are going to get huge income out of this, right? And also swapping sub platforms is also available for them. That is one more advantages. And here the smart contract matrix program, which will be a unique one and a sustainable platform for a smart contract, which is going to launch in Tron wallet chain and or WJTG as a base cryptocurrency. We are going to do this smart contract matrix program in the month of March 2020, which is the first quarter of the year, this 2021. And decentralized forum is also in the pipeline, and the gaming platform. So decentralized is nothing but the community people who are there, they'll be getting all those details. They can vote for it and they can earn WJTG token. Okay, so all these rewards and the giveaways will be taken care in this decentralized forum. Gaming platform, members, they can able to play non-gambling or a casino games for free with WJTG. They can earn single player or multiplayer game can be used. They can upgrade the level. They can earn more income out of this. And diverse marketplaces also will be there, which will be covering diverse markets with both physical and digital products and services. Member can buy, they can sell, and they can refer. With all this event, they can get more income. They can get profit like anything. And here is the roadmap. Just in that PDF slides, I was just sharing you with people. So these are the roadmap. This is the complete vision of WJTG. So we have started with November 11, 2020. WJTG token was launched and limited pre-sale was successfully completed with phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and phase 4. And we have completed our airdrop, giveaway, weekly context, everything that was took in that last quarter of the year, that is in December month, we have successfully completed. And finally, we moved to automatic distribution also. And this is the first 2021, the first quarter of the year, January to March. So which is that which lies in the pipeline. The first and very foremost is nothing but the staking platform, the legally awaited staking platform, which is on board, and it will be launched in the 3rd week of January, as completely declared by the founders of WJTG. And token listing will be given in the centralized exchanges. That is also there in the pipeline. And you could see the monthly contest and all those giveaway rewards. These are also there in 2021. And apart from that, this quarter ends with a smart contract matrix program, which I told you the March will be doing the wonder excellent of smart contract, which is going to be a unique program. That is also there. And WJTG forum beta, which is a testing, will be taken care of. and the full forum launch will be taken after this testing program. That will happen in the April to June. That is the second quarter of 2021. And gaming platform will be tested. That is a beta version, and token listing and the multiple centralized exchanges will be taken care of. And again, the marketplace forum where all this testing, everything will be taken care, and gaming platform will also come to end in 2022, that is 2022, after 1 year. So you could see the complete long-term vision in this project, which is very clear. This WGTG founders are getting this rhythm on a longer run. This is not just a eat and run away program. This is completely a long away program. So this is the presentation from my side, and over to Mr. Jaguar.
Hello and welcome everyone. As part of our Matrix Rewards, we joined smart contract programs as a team. So that was our initial plan. But then we decided we collaborate with the program founders. So when we decided that first we thought of supporting GoldenTron, and then we finalized a deal with Incomatrix as well. I wouldn't say a deal, it's more of a collaboration. So today we have the founders of GoldenTron, Book Powers and Alina. I welcome you both. I have known them for some time now, and both of them have, they're among the most transparent admins I've seen in a long time. So, and that is one of the reasons I actually wanted to support GoldenTron more than any other programs, though we are seeing multiple programs now. So I'd like to welcome you both, Book Powers and Alina. Over to you, brother.
I'm doing well. How are you? Thank you.
I'm good.
Good. So thank you guys for having me today. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen and bring up the GoldenTron presentation. And I'll go ahead and give you guys a full presentation today as to what GoldenTron is and what we are looking to do with this particular project. Because it's something new, something we haven't seen in a long time, or ever. Okay. So first, let's start with what is GoldenTron. GoldenTron is a binary smart contract that operates on the Tron blockchain. A smart contract is a computer program or a transaction protocol which is intended to automatically execute, control, or document legally relevant events and actions according to the terms of a contract or an agreement. So as we know, in our industry in particular, what we do is affiliate marketing. So, we share the opportunity with each other, and that's basically the protocols that are getting executed. In GoldenTron specifically, it's a peer-to-peer contract. So we have no escrow and we have no bank. There is no withdrawal process. So everything that is done in GoldenTron is done instantaneously, wallet to wallet. Somebody is always getting paid, okay? And that's the beauty of GoldenTron, because it's a fully automatic smart contract. So GoldenTron will upgrade you from level to level, okay? And it'll also upgrade you from matrix to matrix. Now, the levels in GoldenTron changed a little bit, and we'll get into that here shortly, okay? We call GoldenTron the recruiter's dream. And the reason why is because we no longer have to chase our downlines as leaders or as recruiters, right? Because the smart contract does everything for you. It pays us automatically and it upgrades us automatically, as well as it will automatically re-enter us back into the system once we finish. So that's very powerful, okay? GoldenTron is a forced global matrix with only one link. So it kind of falls in line with the ideology as to why WJTG exists with the mantra of nobody loses, right? So one of the things that Alina and I decided to do with GoldenTron that we didn't do with Golden Matrix was make every single registration with one link so that there is no teams, right? There's only one team, and that's basically all of us. So this is why GoldenTron is really the first true global matrix that operates in a binary manner. Okay. So let's talk about the advantages of GoldenTron. The first two biggest advantages of GoldenTron is the fact that you are upgraded automatically from level to level and matrix to matrix. Okay. So you don't have to do anything but register and share the opportunity with your family and friends. That's it. Okay. The third biggest advantage to GoldenTron is the fact that we have automatic reentry with your last payment in Matrix 4. So your very last payment in Matrix 4 is going to re-enter you back into the beginning of the Matrix, which makes GoldenTron a perpetual Matrix. It doesn't stop. As long as we don't stop sharing the opportunity and recruiting people, the Matrix won't stop paying us, whoever is in it, because it's global, right? No one ID is making more than the other because every single ID in the system has the opportunity to cycle over and over and over again. And because we're not doing teams, we have the power of the globe behind us, each and every one of us. The fourth advantage to GoldenTron is the fact that our contracts do not expire. So we only pay once, 300 TRX, one time only, and share the opportunity. That's it. This is something that I like to start my Zooms off with now, which is a quote that says, "Dare to be different," right? And basically what we are doing is something totally different that we've never seen before in this industry, right? And one of those things is providing a automatically recycling contract that is non-expiring, right? As I stated before, the fifth biggest advantage in GoldenTron is the fact that every single transaction is wallet to wallet. So you're either getting paid or an upline somewhere in the automatic algorithm is getting paid, okay? The contract doesn't store money. Alina and I don't create contracts that store money, okay? GoldenTron is a smart contract, so the sixth biggest advantage that we have is that it's scam proof. This is one of the reasons why me in particular, Alina and I, test our contracts so much. Because we always hear stories of developers here, developers there doing crazy things. So one of the things that we do is test our contracts to make sure that it is what we ordered, so to speak, right? And because our contracts don't hold the money, they are truly immutable. So not even me or Alina would have the opportunity to liquidate the contract anywhere because it doesn't store funds anywhere for any reason. Any money that's being spent on marketing and any administration fees or anything like that is paid for by me and Alina, mostly. Okay, now let's get into how GoldenTron works and the little changes that were made, okay? Before we made this change to how the matrix works, we were receiving a profit payment on each level, right? Now that we are implementing a system that has 4 individual matrices, meaning the old design had 4 matrices, but there was a parent matrix, and that was matrix 1, right? Well, this design, each matrix is independent of each other. So the way we get paid is a little bit different because of how we move, right? And because of how the algorithm works. So from matrices 1 to 3, your first 2 direct referrals or global referrals are going to be upline payments, okay? Your third referral is going to be a profit payment that's going to go to you. And your next 3 payments are going to be upgrade payments that are going to put you into the next matrix. Okay? And it's going to keep this pattern from matrix 1 to matrix 3. And I built us a little legend here so this is easier to track as to what payments come to us, what payments go to uplines, and what payments are directed towards your upgrades. Okay? Now, the bulk of our money is going to come in matrix 4. And that is because we receive 4 profit payments. So when you're in matrix 4, your first 2 referrals are going to go to an upline. And the next 4 payments are going to be direct payments to your wallet. Now, as you can see here, this green arrow, this last payment is going to be 8100 TRX minus 300. And that minus 300 is the re-entry fee that the contract automatically applies in order to put you back in the front, right? And in order for ID1 to cycle, meaning that ID1 unlocks everything, ID1 only needs 510 global partners, right? So once we hit 510 global partners, ID1 is going to cycle back to the beginning while people are still registering, right? Now, every time we hit 256 members after that 510 members, another ID is going to cycle. So at 766 partners, ID2 is going to cycle. At 1,022 partners, ID3 is going to cycle. And it's going to keep that pattern for every single ID after ID1. And the total amount of TRX earned from the beginning to the end is 36,000 TRX. And right now, I think that's worth about $1,000. So you start with 9 and you have the ability to make 1,000 with only 256 partners after ID1. Now, we have never seen this before. And this is another reason why we decided to listen to the community and put this into a global link registration, because we will all be able to make more money and grow a lot faster if we all work together versus working in individual teams when we have a design like this. Okay? And that's basically the only change that was made to GoldenTron. Our testing period right now is looking like January 12th to the 15th. Okay? And as long as everything goes well during testing, then we could very well launch that very same weekend. Okay. We did make a few improvements to GoldenTron from Golden Matrix, because we were just gonna make Golden Matrix on Tron exactly the same, but we decided to implement the one link global registration. Okay. We decided to shorten the matrix and change the design, so it took a lot less people in order for us to actually finish the program, right? Because we're also used to being in these long programs that we're never able to finish. So we wanted to create something that people were actually able to realistically finish in a realistic amount of time. For one person to recruit 256 people is very possible. And by default, because we went to the Tron blockchain, the energy fees or the gas fees just came down tremendously. And we no longer have to worry about the blockchain being bogged down, because the Tron blockchain can handle up to 120,000 transactions a minute. So we have a big advantage being on Tron. Okay. The wallets that are going to be accepted with GoldenTron, we recommend everybody just use TronLink Pro. It's just the easiest wallet to deal with dApps on Tron, because everything is made for TronLink. But we will be supporting Token Pocket and Clever. If you have a Tron wallet, just import it to Clever so you don't have problems down the road. And that's pretty much it. We have our official groups, and anybody that's with WJTG can refer to Jaguar or Widzkie in order to, find one of our groups. Okay? And that's GoldenTron, guys. Thank you for attending today, and thank you for having us. If you guys have any questions, you can reach out to one of those two, and they'll be able to answer you. Have a good day.
Thank you, brother, for the short presentation on GoldenTron.
No problem.
Widzkie?
No problem.
Widzkie?
Yes, my brother.
Yeah.
So, yep. Shall we start the session, my brother? Anyway, Mr. Book and Alina, welcome to our public live stream. Yep. Can you hear me, my brother, Jayguar?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Vignesh? Yep.
Yes, yeah. We can hear you. You can continue.
Shall we start the my brother?
Yeah, do you want to say something about GoldenTron and WJDG Witzki?
Yep. And also, if you see, beautiful presentation from GoldenTron, which is Mr. Book. So I would like to say that not to recommend to not to refer, yes, because at least one referral per person community is so slowly. But anyway, it's a same process. Yeah. Thank you, Mr. Book,
Okay.
for your presentation.
No
I think
problem.
the
Anytime.
mic is off. It's okay. Okay, thank you, Witzki. And okay, Magesh, shall we start the AMA session?
Yeah, sure, Vignesh.
Okay. Yeah, you can share your screen.
Just share my screen. Yeah, just a minute.
Okay, guys. Hope in the YouTube live stream everyone are waiting for the WJTG AMA segment 4A, and it's AMA on Telegram. Okay, and 5 questions to be answered. There are a lot of questions posted on the Telegram official group. In that, 5 questions were decided and to be answered and to be rewarded. Okay, and first let's have the first question. Okay, every country struggles in the last 2020, and a lot know for sure that this new year 2021 could bring more pain. There is so many projects released that concerns about cryptocurrency in this modern era and promising they can change your life to be better, but some was just scam. How can you possibly be sure that every investor or holder of WJTG would not waste their time in this project? And do you have any future plans in the future? At least a little hint about it. Yeah, who gonna answer it? Yes,
From
Vitsky,
the guy. Yep, yep.
please answer it.
Yes. Question. That is right. So accordingly to our roadmap, this is not only that we also have the identify the plan A, plan B, and so on and so forth, so that everyone is not wasting their time and so that you not fail. So, okay, just like what you said, no one will get right. So stay tuned for our next guidance plan, and maybe we'll be released by next week, and we'll see this week. Okay. So anyway, guys, and also about the uh, so we have nothing to worry about even if the value situation, especially with our ability to yeah, uh, like we have our own deck and the low value of that will not be our Palestine.
Yeah. And the possibly the plans will be revealed in the use cases, and many surprises are there for the holders of the WJTG. And For the investors, especially the staking platform, it's gonna be a blessing for them to make daily its profit and more than a dumper. And this project is for many holders and future builders who want to improvise their financial freedom and get into. And thank you for the question. And you're gonna be rewarded with 100 years. Yeah, shall we move to next one, Magesh?
Yeah.
Okay, from VBZ DZ, and they said the holders of the coin or token determines the price fluctuation. So, what can WJDG team do to maintain a high stable price of WJDG? Presently, as at today, can we possibly use WJDG in a real life for payment? Okay, Jaguar, you
Yeah.
can answer it.
Yeah. So the question is, they said the holders or the hodlers of a coin or token determines the price fluctuation. So it is actually the demand and the supply that determines the price fluctuation. So as long as there is enough demand and supply, so we should not be having any problems. And our platforms it's not limited to just one platform. We have multiple platforms, so each platform will be compensating the other platform, so which you will see once we start launching the platforms one by one. So that would uh, keep the price of the token steady, and that is what we are looking at. And presently, as of today, can we possibly use WJTG in real life for payment? It actually depends on the demographic, the country where it is being used. So at present, we don't have, a real life use case for payment. As a currency, we don't have an option right now. When we launch the marketplace, so that is when a whole lot of merchants will be coming in. We would be partnering with merchants across the world. So that is that is the time when it will be used as a real life. Payment as payment in real life. So that will take another year. So based on and the payment, the payment is based on demographic and not it's not global. So
Yeah,
that's my answer for this particular question.
yeah. Thank you, Jaguar. And it's gonna be a massive marketplace for our token after the full supply, which gonna be in global platform, and everyone be a shareholder and holder of WJDG, so that we will be heading toward our marketplace. Thank you for the question. And next one. Okay, WJTG has gained so much popularity from day one, and they have various social media platforms ranging from Telegram, Twitter, Medium, Facebook, etc. But I don't know if WJTG have a Discord server. If there is a kindly drop the link, and if there is none or you're planning to have, because it will help WJTG grow. Okay, second question. According to WJDG's white paper, in the gaming platform, members will be playing a non-gambling or non-casino game for free. Okay, if I may ask, what made the team to come to the conclusion of making the game a non-casino or non-gambling game? Okay, let me answer the first one. And hopefully, we will be having the Discord server as soon as possible. Once it is really done and everything stuff is clear, a huge update will be given on it as per the plan. And it's also according to the roadmap and the decision of the community. It will be obtained through voting forum. Okay. And second question, why it is not chosen gambling and non-casino game? It's because in a gambling and non-casino game, most of the time the computer and the UI will be winning you, and all the people who are playing will be losing the TRS or WJTG, which you're gonna play for it. And so that we will deciding arcade games, so that most people will be winning on it, and also at the same time it's also for free also, you can try it. And it's gonna be massive, which gamers to like, so we will be getting more gamers in our platform. So it'll be gaming plus, and many shareholders of WJT will create it, so that it's gonna be massive. And it is on the right path, and it is according to the roadmap, it's gonna be launched a beta version and then only launch. So stay tuned for that. And Discord server also, the update will be given when it's time to. And thank you for Spartan. And shall we move next one? Okay. Um, does WJTG token need a specific number of people to reach goals. And with this current number of member, do you think WJTG have a bright future ahead? Okay. And second one, do WJTG token have any partner with or plans to partner with any company to help build the coin? As a founder and co-founder, what made you think you are the best for the building of this coin? Okay, I let the Syed, can you unmute yourself and answer it?
Hey bro, I'm audible? Am I audible?
Yeah. Yes, you can. Yes, Syed.
The answer is we don't need a specific number of people for completing the milestone in the roadmap. The platform will still launch even if the current number of people doesn't change. However, we still keep promoting the platforms all the time. For the metric rewards, we have collaborated with Incometrics and GoldenTron. And for the marketplace, we would be partnering with merchants worldwide. We have our own developers in-house. We may not be the best, but we will do our best to make the community benefit with our vision. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, thank you, Syed. And hopefully the Syed answer had made clear that our project gonna be massive with collaboration with many other company and founder. And recently we had a collaboration with GoldenTron and also GT and also Incomatrix. The both project are huge compared to other outside projects, and it was also safe and reliable for our users and community too. So we can participate on it and make WJTG and at the same time and earn tiers daily massively. And shall we move to next one? Okay, Magesh, you can answer this.
Okay, I'll take up this question, Vignesh. What
Yeah,
are the
sure.
biggest challenges you expect to face, and how do you plan to overcome these challenges? And the second question is, every industry is severely affected by the increases situation of the COVID-19 outbreak. Does it affect the growth of WJTG? What are your plans to turn challenges into opportunities for the development of WJTG community? Okay, the answer for the first one, what are the biggest challenges you expect to face? Yeah, of course, Rodki, we are facing a biggest challenges, which is nothing but the dumping of the tokens. There are many people who wants to see the WJTG fail or due to their short-sightedness. This is one of the reason we are not updating the liquidity in JustWare. Okay, so that is the main reason. And beginning with our staking platform, you could see this would be completely reduced. So, and due to some technical reasons also, we can't disclose more about this reason. So definitely you will be seeing a uniqueness of WGTG on screen quickly. So hope I'm clear with your first question. So let me move to the second. Every industry is severely affected by the severe situation of COVID-19 outbreak. Does it affect the growth of WJT? What are your plan to change challenges or opportunity? Right. Actually, COVID-19 has not yet affected us, and it will not also going to affect in the coming future also the growth of WJTG. We are damn sure about it because we work in the digital environment and we are not relied on the pre-sale program also. So even if the pre-sale program was also not launched, but still we would have launched our platform, that is the smart contract program, as per the roadmap plan. So that is the vision of our thing. So we are very, very confident that COVID-19 will not affect our growth of WJTG. So hope my answer is clear with you, Ronki, and over to
Yeah.
Vignesh.
Even COVID-20 will don't do anything, so that because the digital platform is massive
Yeah,
and
that's
the
true.
experience we have is outbreaking. In the YouTube, we are hitting daily 10K views on our pages, so that all users were likely knowing every day and getting educating and also earning with us. So it's gonna be massive. And the five people, congratulations for you all, and you will be getting 100 TRS each, and it is a 500 TRS breakup for today. And tomorrow also we will be having WJTG AMA segment 4B. It means that same five questions will best five question will be answered, and it will be started after the Zoom session, so that tomorrow the 11:30 a.m. UTC the same live stream will be conducted, and it's gonna be massive as per day. Okay, and thank you Book Power and Alina for joining us for today.
Yeah.
Yeah. Book.
Anytime, guys. Thank you for having us.
Yes. Thank you, brother, for joining us. And GoldenTron gonna be a massive one with 300 TRX. We able to join and get into the global matrix, and it gonna be amazing like Golden Matrix launched before in ETH.
Yeah, I can't wait. I
And
think this one's gonna be a lot better.
yes, it's gonna be huge, and 100 WJTG token to be disclosed with that, so that each subscription you're gonna get that. So it's gonna be massive one.
I
Okay.
can't wait. I'm definitely looking forward to it. Have a good day, guys. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for the presentation. It's clear that our users had been educated about GoldenTron.
Okay, cool. Yeah, and if you guys need me again,
Okay.
I'll be glad to do it. No problem.
Okay. And Magesh, you can conclude the meeting.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Vignesh. And thank you, Mr. Book and Alina, for attending this meeting and making this meeting awesome. And we have learned about GoldenTron. And biggest congrats for you people for the launch of GoldenTron also. And thank you, Mr. Widzkie and Jaguar, who was also there in the team. And I'm just appreciating the members of this AMA session, the people who have got these rewards. So congrats for everyone. And people keep getting more and more new questions, so that we are ready to answer your questions at any point of time. So good luck, everyone, and keep tuning for regular updates. And tomorrow we are live at 11:30, Vignesh, right?
Yeah, 11:30
Same
a.m.
time,
UTC.
11:30 a.m. UTC.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, one and all. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you, guys.